How night work affects health. This increases the risk of cancer by 80%, the researchers say. Each of us has noticed that at one time or another, our productivity is either increasing or decreasing. Scientists are also interested in this issue. Not one study was conducted on when a person is best to work. And scientists were able to prove that working at night is the same as actively destroying your health. It affects the health of, especially women, and can be deadly. Women who work at night have an increased risk of breast cancer. The study involved more than 13,000 women from Australia, Canada, France, Germany and Spain. The average age of the subjects reached 55 to 59 years. Of these, 6.1 thousand volunteers were diagnosed with breast cancer. It turned out that the risk of developing an estrogen receptor for positive ER-positive cancer and HER2-positive breast cancer increases with the number of night hours spent on work. Thus, in women who work after midnight for more than 3 hours, the risk increases by as much as 12%. And 80% increase after the woman works 10 hours 3 times a week. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.